3, 2, 1.
What is the largest social media platform? The answer is A. Facebook. What English actress has played tragic historical characters such as Isadora Duncan, Anne Boleyn, and Mary, Queen of Scots? The answer is D. Vanessa Redgrave. Which of these statements is not true about Harry Potter character Hermione Granger? The answer is A. She was named after J.K. Rowling's best friend. How does the lightsaber battle between Darth Vader and Ben Kenobi end in Star Wars, Episode Roman IV: A New Hope? The answer is D. Darth Vader defeats Ben Kenobi. Who composed the Four Seasons? The answer is C. Vivaldi. Plants can reproduce sexually and asexually. If one offspring is produced sexually while the other is produced asexually, what will only the sexually produced offspring have? The answer is B. A new combination of traits. What is an unusual feature of the wombat's pouch? The answer is C. It faces backwards. Spontaneous reactions release what type of energy, meaning it is available to do work? The answer is B. Free energy. Which of these would make a better material for an electronic device component? The answer is A. A brown copper panel. The history of EU began on 25th of March 1957 when the European Economic Community was formed. What is the founding act called? The answer is A. Treaty of Rome. Sir Isaac Newton stated that every object in the universe attracts matter. The attraction depends on the mass of an object and the distance between the objects. What type of force did Newton describe? The answer is D. Gravitational force. Which month has only 28 days? The answer is B. February. Which book features characters named Jay Gatsby, Daisy Buchanan, and Nick Carraway? The answer is A. The Great Gatsby. What letter should be added the group of letters P, N, N, E, S, O, R, H, E, T, and I to form a 12-letter word that is related to blood? The answer is A. Y. Two tectonic plates pushing toward each other cause intense heat and pressure in Earth's crust. Into which will crust material be changed by heat and pressure? The answer is D. Metamorphic rock. Which is the strongest acid? The answer is B. Sulfuric acid. Which of these is not a species of raccoon? The answer is D. Tree raccoon. Which is the least massive outer planet? The answer is A. Uranus. Human skin has the unique ability to acquire a darker shade when exposed to UV rays. What animals share this ability with us? The answer is A. Pigs and hammerhead sharks. Which galaxy appears to be colliding with the Milky Way? The answer is A. Andromeda. Which fruit is often used for jams and preserves? The answer is B. Strawberry. If solutions of differing osmolarities are present on opposite sides of a semipermeable membrane, solvent will transfer from what to what in terms of osmolarity of the solution? The answer is A. Low to high. With its vivid references to death, it would be hard to find a song more dark and haunting than the tune featured in the audio clip. Which group recorded this hit back in 1976? The answer is D. Blue Oyster Cult. In the novel Prince Caspian, which two people are responsible for Prince Caspian's great interest in old Narnia? The answer is A. His old nurse and his tutor Cornelius. What is the name of the search engine launched by Google in 1998? The answer is B. Bing. Mork and Mindy appeared as a spin-off of what other popular American sitcom? The answer is B. Happy Days. What tool is used to tighten nuts and bolts? The answer is A. Wrench. What is the capital of Nunavut, Canada's newest and largest territory? The answer is D. Iqaluit, formerly Frobisher Bay. What is the unit of a kilogram named after? The answer is D. Kelvin. What was the last name of the six brothers Carlo, Bindo, Alfieri, Mario, Eder, and Ernesto, who were all involved with automobiles? The answer is A. Maserati. Which supercomputer lost a match to Garry Kasparov? The answer is C. Deep Blue. What will increase when a substance absorbs solar energy? The answer is C. Hotness. In what city is the European Central Bank located? The answer is A. Frankfurt. Which characteristic is most common among animals living in a cold climate? The answer is A. Layers of fat. What is the word for a group of apes? The answer is D. A shrewdness. Gaseous sulfur dioxide is a compound that combines with water in the atmosphere to form acid rain. What is the primary source of sulfur dioxide? The answer is B. Combustion of fossil fuels. Water infiltrates the ground because soil and rock may have air spaces between the grains. These pores, or tiny holes, result in the rock's what? The answer is B. Porosity. Which tech company owns LinkedIn, Slack, and Twitch? The answer is B. Microsoft. Which scientist is credited with the following quote, "I never think of the future, it comes soon enough"? The answer is B. Albert Einstein. Which scientist discovered the periodic table of elements? The answer is A. Mendeleev. What is the world's first computer called? The answer is C. UNIVAC. About how many people visited Mount Rushmore in 2004? The answer is D. 2 million. What is the study of values called? The answer is B. Ethics. The rate of evolution is influenced by the rate of changes to what? The answer is B. The environment. Several major leaguers have had multiple 50-plus home run seasons. Which player listed below has not accomplished this feat at least 3 times? The answer is B. Barry Bonds. What is the study of living organisms and their environment called? The answer is B. Chemistry. What is the name of the compound made of nitrogen and hydrogen that is commonly used in fertilizers? The answer is A. Ammonia. What is the derivative of y in this function related to the exponential constant e, if y equals ex? The answer is D. Ex. Which novel is set on a deserted island with characters named Ralph, Patty, Jack, and Simon? The answer is A. Lord of the Flies. The digestion process begins in which of the following?